Hi, this is 2016 Honda Civic. I'm going to replace front brake pad. Let me show you where I put the jack. This is the front tire. Right next to the front tire, you see this? This is the metal. This is the metal right there. See this? So put right there. So make sure you put the jack and a jack stand, please. So make sure you put the jack stand too, please. And this is the 19 millimeter. Your may be different. I'm gonna open all this lug nut. 19 millimeter. To open the tire, take one of the screwdriver or something like this. You see the hole right there? It's go inside. There's a one hole right there, so you can go up to the hole. See, just pull this, pull it towards to you, so you can release the piston. Now is the caliper is loose, the piston is no more catching this the rotor. So after that I'm going to open these bolt. So these are 12 millimeter bolt right there, one here, one right there. So I'm going to open both. Open this door like so. The other one. So hold this so it's not gonna fall. So after this two ball out, take this whole caliper. So this caliper don't like release like this, you have to hold with something. So I have a hook in here. This hook, you can use a bungee cord or something, just hang right there. See this? This is hanging now. Now I can replace this brake pad. Pull this out, pin, take this. Sometimes I get stuck. So sometimes it gets stuck. So take this off. Now we have to put this piston. So this piston I'm gonna push a little bit more inside. If your caliper is perfect, everything is working good, then when you with the channel lock, you just push it like this. It's supposed to go very easily without any binding. So this is good. This went very smoothly inside. You see it's flush now. After that if they give you the shim right here, this simply just pull it like this. Just pull it like that. Usually most of company they give you the new one, but some of no. If they don't give you the new one, just clean this with a wire brush or something and put it back simply like that. It's very easy. Now you have to check this caliper guide pin. It's supposed to go in and out, as well the other one too. So this is pretty good. If not, just open like this and put some brake grease here and put it back. This one is pretty good. See, Very good. Now I'm gonna put this brake pad. You see, this is brake pad. One have the wire indicator right here, so you gotta use this. So usually I put in the back this one. Let's go this direction right here. After I clean this surface, is perfectly fit. After that, just put this caliper right there and tight this bolt. One bolt in the top, one bolt in the bottom. That's it. After that, put the tire. After you put the tire and everything, you have to push the brake, go inside and push the brake like 3-4 times until it get hard. Otherwise the vehicle not gonna stop. So very careful. You have to push the brake 3-4 times until it get harder. When it's hard, then you start it. Thank you for watching.